All right, so we're reviewing OQ hair. This is beginner friendly. You're supposed to just put it on and go. So I need this. This is my first wig. And this is what my hair looks like now. We got the hair. It's 18 inches. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Oh, it feels so nice. Okay. And ooh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right, let's take off this net. Comes with a net so it's in place. Okay, so inside it has like this filling, paper filling, and then we have these little clips here to hold in that paper filling, so I guess it doesn't lose shape. And let's do a close-up of the edges because people always talk about that. This is where you should be able to just pop it on and go. This is the close-up of the edges. Let me turn the brightness down a little bit. There you go. Look at that. So we're going to go ahead and take these off. Okay, so we have the wig caps. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. All right, so here's the inside. I'm going to get up and show you guys up close again. We have the strap that's adjustable. It's adjustable on both sides. And then we have the little grippers, so it's not sliding everywhere. It's going to grip to your skin. And then we have a little wig comb. And then the inside feels soft. I can keep this on all day. It feels very soft, just like the hair. Okay, let's do a close-up. Okay, let's do it. It's like sliding around. It's not. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, it feels weird. Okay, so this is what I have. I haven't seen myself yet. It's sliding. It's moving. I don't think it's the wig's fault. I think my head is just huge and my hair is a lot in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna look. First impression. Here we go. It kind of blends. It does blend, but it's just sliding back. Maybe my ponytail might be too low. My head is big. Or maybe I need to adjust the strap. There's a lot of things that could possibly be wrong with this. See, when I pull it down a little bit, it does look a little bit better. But okay, so this is the final look without doing anything to it. I didn't put makeup, I didn't melt down the lace, nothing. And I really like it. So what I did was I took my hair out the ponytail, I took my hair out the bun, and I kind of just tried to flatten my braid around as much as I could. And it actually fits so much more better and it feels so comfortable. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything. And it is like you can literally just put it on and go. And if you can see, like it does match. This, I think I would need to, I don't think I really need, maybe I'll put makeup on it to blend it better. Like the same makeup I use on my face, I'll put on this here. And I did pull down a little bit further than my actual hairline because I was afraid that it was gonna slip, but it's like really secure. And the pen that came out here, I just slid back in because there's two little holes you're supposed to put the pen through and it stays perfect now. And the hair comb in the back is secure, but I really do like it. This is perfect. I do want to get another one of these, but I want it in the body wave, more curl, more body. I'm going to get another one and I like it. I like it. It's, nobody knows that my hair is not done underneath. And if you're looking for something that is, you don't have to trim, beginner friendly, easy, put on and go. I will have to blend this with the makeup and I see a lot of people having to blend it. This is my very first time wearing a wig, very super beginner. I did it. It wasn't hard. It just took a little, needed to stretch the band out a little bit. I did do that, stretch the band out, fixed up the pins and put it on. And I literally can go. But if I wanted to, I can just dab on some makeup and literally go. So it is ready to wear, but that's it. That's my review. I love it. I will be getting another. I want one with the body wave, maybe longer. Yeah. So maybe I might start collecting these.